Hey guys, I have never been more excited about a vacuum cleaner in my life. This Black & Decker cordless dustbuster is amazing, especially with kids and two pets that shed like crazy. It's a lifesaver. The Power Boost mode delivers an extra boost of suction power, while the anti-tangle motorized pet brush helps lift stubborn debris and pet hair. I love using this on my stairs, but of course it works on all carpets and floor. I love that it's cordless because I can pull it and whip it around anywhere, use it on the stairs. It's also perfect for the car. It also has an extra large extendable crevice tool that reaches deep inside tight spaces. It has a one-touch, easy empty dust bowl and super easy to clean.